In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wise account number. If you need to receive money into your Wise account, one of the most important details you may need is your account number. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it inside the Wise app or website in a simple and clear way. Start from the Wise homepage after signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for your main account and click on it to open it. This will take you to the area where you can view your balances and account options. Next, choose the currency balance you want to check. This is important because account details can vary depending on the currency you're using. For example, if you want to receive money in a specific currency, make sure you open that exact balance before moving on. After selecting the balance, look at the currency balance page. Under the balance amount, you'll see several options related to that account. Here, you want to find and click the green account details button. This is the section that gives you the banking information connected to that currency balance. Once you click it, give the page a moment to load. Wait for the account details page to open fully so you can view all the information clearly. Depending on your internet speed or device, this may take just a few seconds. When the account details page appears, look for the section labeled account number. This is the field you need if someone is going to send money to your Wise balance. Be sure to read the details carefully so you're using the correct information for the right currency account. Beside the account number, you should see a copy button. Click that copy button to instantly copy the account number to your clipboard. This is the easiest way to avoid typing errors, especially if you plan to paste it into a payment form, message, or banking page. Once you've clicked copy, your Wise account number is now copied and ready to use. You can now paste it wherever needed when receiving money. Just make sure you use it only in the correct place and double-check that the currency and account details match what the sender needs. That's all it takes to find your Wise account number. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and copying it directly helps keep things accurate and convenient. Thanks for watching.